Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. So I'm just going to take you on a short walk around tour of a brand new model for Coachman for 2021. So changing that of the Acadia 630 for 2021 into the Acadia 830. So layout being very, very similar, but pushing along to that 8-foot wide market that's absolutely booming at the moment. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So a wonderful 8-foot wide family caravan in the Acadia 830 XCEL 2021. The Coachman range now in the Acadia range benefiting from the Alco ATC as a standard item of the caravan, and that wonderful look at that new logo and new badge for Coachman for 2021. You've got 2 gas bottles for the right hand side there, and also space in the left hand side there for your step, your steady winder, your electric hookup cable and various other items that you might pop in the front of the caravan. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point and also exterior 240 volt socket with that wonderful Acadia logo going down the side of the caravan. As we step inside the caravan, you have got an extremely spacious side dinette area here, which converts into a very nice and generous sized single bed. You've got a lovely L-shape front lounge, converting into a very, very large double bed. The panoramic sunroof at the front of the caravan, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan with a medium-sized Hecky light, again giving a fantastic feeling of space. You've got the PIR sensor down the bottom there for the alarm, and this beautiful two-tone wood effect that you see throughout the caravan. You have an easy usable height microwave and a short side as you step in on the right side there, and benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system and the command panel above the habitation door. You've got a television point in the cupboard to be able to pop a TV on the side binnacle there should that be a need and a consideration for you. And the lovely thing as well in Coachman, there's this beautiful mood lighting dotted all throughout the caravan. Of a night time, it certainly lights this caravan up and shows it off in all its glory. You've got the wonderful chrome finish on the lockers above the top, and a very large and spacious side kitchen area with ample storage in this 5-berth caravan. Benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. And you've got these beautiful loose fitted carpets running throughout. So a full set of carpets coming in every single Coachman caravan and every caravan that we sell here at Grantham. You've got the fixed bunks on the left hand side, and these fixings here are for the ladder for getting up onto that very spacious top bunk with a privacy curtain on both. A very large, tall Dometic fridge. So tall fridge freezer, plenty of space in there to pop all the bits and bobs that you may need. Followed by a generous sized wardrobe with the Alder header tank with the pink 5-year liquid in it. So no need to change on that 2nd year service as you may have done previously. You've got the drawers underneath there for further storage as we step through a well finished bathroom door with that wonderful chrome trim to show off this very, very large individual shower cubicle. High quality of finish on the sink with a nice large vanity mirror with the mood lighting above with a small Hecky light. The Aldi wet central heated towel rail next to that Thetford toilet, and also further storage above with some wardrobe hooks dotted in the bathroom area as well. So that gives you a real good feeling and good understanding for what this Acadia 830 2021 is all about. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact here at Grantham. We'd love the opportunity to do business with you, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.